Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, I'm gonna clarify, I'm calling it Do Not Disturb mode, though iPhone decided to just flip a switch and call it Focus mode, because F you. When you're looking for Do Not Disturb mode, it still shows up because it does have an option there. Additionally, we don't have any kind of quick settings for it, like in the control center that you could add, or at least not as far as I found. Maybe, oh no, there we go, it's in focus right here. So you would just select whichever one you want. I believe we can access the settings from here if you want to, but you can obviously also do it from settings and going into the focus tab. It just bugs me, the name of it. And in here you can choose whichever one you want. Obviously I'm gonna touch upon the Do Not Disturb mode right here. So allow notifications, people, apps, so you can choose who can message you and call you, probably. See, calls from, so we have just calls, and guess notifications maybe would count for messages, I don't know, hopefully. So anyway, in calls, choose whoever what you want to be able to reach you. Going back, we have apps, so you can exclude apps from being affected by the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you add some kind of apps, you turn on the mode. If those apps have any notifications, those will go normally through if you added that app. And then scrolling below, we have customize screens, so you can limit the amount of apps that are visible, I believe, right? So we have choose your pages. So it looks like you would need to basically customize pages. I have 3 pages and it shows all of them. So if you want to be limited to a certain amount of pages, maybe have like just limited amount of apps on some of the pages, you'd need to set that up preemptively and completely outside of the Do Not Disturb mode, which is objectively stupid. If you have to have constantly a specific page with all the apps that you deem usable in this mode, as a, I guess, focusing mode. But even after the mode is off, you will need to keep that page with all the apps on there. Anyway, let's go further, and now we have turn on automatically. So here you can set up a schedule. It will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode. Additionally, you can choose each day of the week and time if you want to go a little bit more nuts with it. And then focus filters. So focus filters help you remove distract from apps when you are focusing on whatever. See our filters, what we got here: calendars, mails, messages, Safari, and a couple additional things. So basically more notification settings in a way. Anyway, once you set it all up, you can turn it on from, I believe, well, not here. It looks like we need to do it from here by tapping on it, and there we go, it's now in Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you want to change the modes, like focus modes, you would hold this and you have a couple additional ones. Obviously you can customize each one of them, and obviously here you will have a toggle for the one that you used most recently. So for me it's Do Not Disturb mode, but if you tend to use something else, like maybe driving, work, or whatever, for instance, if I select this, it now becomes my default, so it will be turning on work all the time. So you need to hold it and then select whichever one you want to toggle on. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.